The MAHANCRIS Guitar Stand GSHR6701 offers a compact vertical rack that comfortably organizes up to 5 full-size instruments without dominating a room. Its combination of rustic brown shelving and black metal framing looks more like tasteful furniture than a utilitarian stand, so it blends easily into home studios and living spaces. The upper shelf provides generous room for everyday accessories like straps, extra strings, tuners, capos, and small maintenance tools, keeping everything within easy reach. Padded metal supports cradle each neck at a slight angle, and the engineered wood base feels solid under load, giving multiple guitars a reassuringly stable resting place. Because it accommodates acoustic, electric, bass, and smaller instruments such as mandolins or ukuleles, it works well for players with mixed collections who want one unified storage solution. Clear instructions and a straightforward design make assembly quick, so you can go from unboxing to a tidy, display-worthy guitar corner in a short session.